Hi guys, welcome to Nine's Corner. I'm glad that you are here. I wanted to share a couple of things with you. One, we got the rain. We manifested the rain. And I just started thinking about manifestation, that you have to put the thought and the feeling into it. So I thought because we manifested the rain, I'd take a little walk and then you go on the walk with me. Just watch it. Listen to the sound of the rain. And think of the things that you want to manifest. Put it out in the universe in a positive way. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show an angel card that will let us know what we're vibing right now, what we should be, what we should be concentrating on over the next few weeks. So enjoy the walk. So now we have the angel answer card. So let's see. What is the advice that we can have as a collective going forward over the next few weeks? What advice can we have as a collective over the next few weeks? A lot happening over the next few weeks. Big happy changes. Don't you kind of think that means Donald Trump is going to be guilty? Manifest it. All right. Big happy changes. Big positive changes are coming into your life. You may find yourself on a new career path, entering a new relationship, or moving to a new home or city. Embrace these exciting events, knowing that your angels will be beside you all the way. What you are asking about may require you to take a leap of faith that seems frightening or beyond your ability. Trust that the opportunities before you are meant to bring you happiness. These options would not have presented themselves unless you were ready for them. Release your fears and follow your heart. So my dear friends, as always, I have our unity candle lit for each and every one of us. And until the next time we chat, take care, cheerio, and God bless.